So questions I often get asked by people is about timelines when they're selling. What should we expect? Well, after working with hundreds of sellers in Johnson and Tarrant counties, we do get that question a lot. Hi, I'm Wendell Hodges with RE/MAX Associates. Well, you say we need to get our home ready for sale. You really need to be careful not to just slap it on the MLS before having it in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things you should consider before you actually allow buyers to tour your home. So after we meet and you decide that you're going to list with us, we're going to give you a contract to sign. Once we have the executed contract, then we're going to schedule an appointment with our stager to come out and give you recommendations on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to get the maximum return on your investment. Now, don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service, but it is essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you'll get back on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we're going to schedule a meeting with our professional photographer and videographer to come out to your home to capitalize on all of the unique features of your home. Once we have the pictures and the photos back, then we're going to work on all of the back-end digital marketing so we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put up a sign. We don't just put it on the MLS. No, it's much more detailed than that. We have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that we utilize that's like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please know that by just posting your home on a Facebook page or a business page, you're only allowing about 3% of people to see your home. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, we're also going to be talking to you on whether or not you should have any inspections done prior to being put on the multi-listing service. We also go over disclosures with you so that we'll have these available for the buyer to look over to be fully aware of your condition of your home prior to making an offer. Don't forget, we're going to have your home on all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're going to be there. Also, we have enhanced these sites to get optimum performance. Now that we're going live, we can actually expect agents to be bringing their buyers through to see your home. Now, these buyer agents are going to accompany the buyers always, so you don't have to worry about that. And depending on the time of year and the market conditions, that's what's going to determine how long will it take for my home to sell. I'm Wendell Hodges, RE/MAX Associates. Experience you can trust, results you deserve.